Good day, everybody. This is Mr. John. Join me as I log into my Google AdSense account. All right. Sign in. All right. So you can see my dashboard for today so far. You have seen that I've received payments from Google this month. You see it. You can see this month so far what I've made. You can see 7 days ago. You can see that this month I made 16.76, but this is not the goal. Where goal is $25,000. You can see for yesterday so far. By the way, if you look down, you see that my impression is very high. My impression is very high. You can see my CPC is also very high. So this method, from the pages, you know that this method is not a manual method that you get online. I've said this several times. This method is not all those manual methods you can get online. From the impression, you know that the method is actually working well, because this impression is what helps the CPC increase very well. So you can see from the countries, you can see that my traffic are also coming from Taiwan countries. You can see that this is 22 is today, and the AdSense paid on 21st. So we received our own payment too. By the way, I will show you from my YouTube that before that $18,000 was on balance for my YouTube channel. There's a video, my last video 4 days ago. Look at this video. So I'm going to see, find out that
Confidence is important in life's moments. Strong teeth can help, even if they get out of trouble sometimes. A great smile.
for this month, I think this is our last month. You see that video. Okay, you can see, if you look at the balance there, you see that the balance is 18k. That money was actually on balance. You can see it now, it was on balance and Google paid. So you see that the money was on balance. You can see I posted a video when I was still loading the account, and the money was on balance while I was still loading the account these last 4 days, and it paid on the first. So you can see this method is actually working. So if you want to learn how I do this, you can click on the description box below. You contact me. I teach you how we do this. It's all automation method. You also have manual method, by the way. Okay, so let me refresh this. So I'll actually close the dashboard for today. So if you want to learn, click on the description box, contact me, tell me your problems, tell me what you're facing, I will teach you. Any problems you're facing, we'll correct it. If it's ad limit, I'll tell you how to remove your ad limits. We know how to remove ad limits. So if you have any problems, you contact it. Click the description box below. Contact me. I'll teach you how to solve the problem. You understand? So for partnership, I also do partnership deals too. Let me refresh this. Alright, so click on the description box, contact me, and you'll learn this new automation strategy.